the last 10 years we've been striving to come up with better ways of assembling, dismantling and altering towers, and ultimately we have come up with the BetaGuard product.
Every once in a while, a product comes along that changes an industry. This is a revolution for mobile scaffolding.
As part of Safety Culture's commitment to finding safer ways to work, we've come over here to Scotland to have a look at the quality and the craftsmanship that goes into making every BetaGuard tower.
By thinking outside the box, the BetaGuard design completely eliminates exposure to unprotected falls from height.
The design itself is very simple. It's a common sense approach to building towers.
My initial intention was to design the safest aluminium scaffold system in the world. The design process always starts with the user who's working under pressure on a number of construction sites. And you have to keep going back to how the user wants to assemble and dismantle the product. With BetaGuard, you're always protected, both during assembly and disassembly of the tower.
The quality at Turner Access is first class. It's manufactured in an ISO 9001-2008 environment. Our welders are all coded and they are trained or retrained every 12 months to Lloyd's International standard.
Every tower has its own unique serial number, which means it can be tracked from the factory in Glasgow all the way to Australia and then finally to the customer on a worksite.
We followed Lewis's design, which was to very strict, tight tolerances.
And the byproduct of the design is the fact that we can build the tower very quickly, in fact in 4 minutes, and we can strip the tower in 2.5 minutes.
What we've seen is a lot of the major contractors are beginning to adopt this as best practice on their building sites.
The BetaGuard tower leaves our customer with the confidence to know that they're working safer and faster than they ever have before.
Safety culture, making safety a way of life.